so beautiful parking as always. Got the Starbucks. We're gonna head to WinterJam and let's get it.
For sure, by golly, it's clean clear to Flagtown. Come on. Yeah, it's a big 10-4 there, Big Benny. Yeah, we definitely got the front door good, buddy. Mercy sakes alive. Looks like we've got us a convoy.
Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are headed to WinterJam 2019. Sorry for this shaky camera. I'm in the Silverado right now and the rough country suspension is doing great. We are on our way to WinterJam. We have the whole squad up here in front. We got Cole in the TDI, Lucas in his fucking grandma Jeep, and we got Daniel in the F-150. So we gotta make a meeting by 8. I don't know if we're gonna make that because it is 7:28. We're still about half an hour out, so we're gonna see if we can make it. I doubt it. We'll see. Alright guys, so we are running very late. Well, not late, we're just cutting it really close. We have a media meeting in 10 minutes and it's 7:50. We're about to hit up the gate for Sonoma, but we still have to find parking and shit. So hopefully we'll make the meeting. That would be fucked if we don't make it and just miss the cutoff by like that much. So we're gonna hopefully get this light to turn green and get through the meeting. So, dude,
WinterJam 2019.
we made it. Okay guys, we have made it. The truck is here. I washed it yesterday for no reason, I guess, because it is muddy this year, but here we are. Look at this. So for context, this is our third year here shooting for media. This year seems to be the busiest. Daniel's here. We got Lucas pulling in and Grandma Jeep. But yeah, so it's our third year shooting media here, which is dope. It's supposed to be the biggest year. It gets bigger and bigger every year. I think it's the 50th one or something, or the 50th what? I don't know. 50th anniversary of Sonoma Raceway. But as you can see, it's beautiful out, and this is gonna be a sick weekend. So we're gonna set up some camp here because we camped here last year, but it's really muddy this year. So we're gonna try and set up camp.
Clear of overhead power lines. Do not set up your tent under trees because of potential lightning.
All right.
Okay, where's that?
So we got this insane doghouse going on.
Look. Stand the tent.
It's supposed to be a tent.
Upright with the stumbly at the top.
We're here right now. Alright, so right now we're in the pits. We're walking over to this CDSV over here. There's a guy in the back. But yeah, we're gonna go see what's up with Turk's car. Use the iPhone. You have the sticker, right? Yeah, you're all good for getting that. Alright, so we are out here in this very muddy terrain. This year it's really bad, but everybody's got their vests on and we're all shooting down here at the track. We had a bunch of FD guys just go through. Good shots. We'll see what's happening next. But yeah, so far so good. Not raining yet. GoProing, bro? Is that a Hero 8? Yeah. Alright guys, we've made it back to our little campsite here. The track is real hot. We got the WinterJam course going on. We got every corner is lit up right now. Most people are just shredding. I gotta say, there has to be at least 100 E36s today. There's so many this weekend. But we got some neighbors now. Yeah, we're gonna make lunch and get back to you guys in a bit.
Remember, he didn't have any livery on it. Straight from the railroad. So serious.
No, it's like angled by itself. The radiator's in the rear now. Yeah, it's 83 or an 8474. That's like a new, like almost Gen 2, but it's like a new turbo. Same exhaust turbine as the old bars. But I went larger on the ID manifold. No. I only deal with people that I know. Yeah. It's a 2-inch inner diameter, and then it tapers down 1.63. Then the turbine, the first thing is a main modified. The gates on your turbine.
After the main move, you're sitting in the car, you're notching pieces in and just going to town. Or you can.
Oh, that's
What is that?
Are you dead
Why
ass?
is that like that? Why is it halfway in? Not even a shit.
We might.
oh, dude, it does not fit.
You gotta leave the front door open.
Oh my god, dude.
Give him some room, dude.
Yo, he did it. Yo, he did it.
Exactly.
Yo.
What do I look like?
All right, guys, that is the end of the first day. I'm gonna stick it out for the night on my extended cab seats. We'll see how that goes. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. Thanks for watching. Well, actually, what the fuck am I talking about? I'll see you guys tomorrow. I don't recommend sleeping in an extended cab if that's something you're considering, unless you have to. Also, it was literally 40 degrees last night, which for California is pretty fucked. And inside the truck, I don't know how cold it was, but I didn't bring any blankets or sleeping bags. So I've never been so cold in my life. That was definitely a fuck up on my part. But other than that, we're gonna get ready for the second day of the event and shoot around. hopefully get some good shots. So, it's truly a beautiful day. Oh my God, this is fun.
What's up, boys?
We're waiting for the top 16 here. They're gonna qualify, and once they do qualifying, the actual competition will start. And yeah, let's get it.